How is this whole exchange, going back to that original tweet, we're going to go private at 420, I have the funding lined up, until now, how has that whole exchange changed your view about Tesla?
Yeah, I think it certainly created a bit of a game of choose your own adventure over the past 2.5 weeks, and now one of the adventures of going private is off the table. Unfortunately, though, the risk profile of the company has actually stepped up a bit just now that the SEC has publicly announced that they've subpoenaed the company, coupled with a bunch of debt coming due over the next couple of months. The company certainly is in a box and needs to execute very well and manage its cash flow very well. So the risk profile certainly is much higher over the past couple of weeks.
Well, give us a little bit more on that debt coming due. Quite apart from the SEC, how much debt is coming due, and how difficult will it be for them to raise that in the capital markets?
Yeah, there's some Solar City debt coming due in November, a little bit shy of $300 million. That one's not a concern to us. The concern lies in the $920 million of converts that are below the conversion price, and so meaning they would have to pay cash for those, and that's due in March. So we're actually modeling the company raising an additional $2 billion in the fourth quarter. Certainly they need to have some pretty solid results in the third quarter in my mind, and hopefully get the SEC off their back, so to speak, in terms of their ability to raise that. I think if there's an ongoing investigation, there might lead to some skittishness among investors just looking to participate, given that they don't know both the personal risk of Elon Musk, if he were to be found liable of any misdeeds, as well as potentially the company or the board. So there's certainly a lot more questions and answers that have evolved over the past 2.5 weeks during this fiasco.